In this video, I'll show you how to let users save their progress and recall information in Paperform, which is perfect for long surveys, applications, or detailed forms. Start by opening your form in the editor. Once you're inside, look at the top menu and click Configure. From the drop-down, select Form Behavior. This section controls how your form works for respondents. Now, find the option called Automatic Save and Resume Later and turn it on. Enabling this allows Paperform to automatically save responses in the user's browser as they fill out the form. If they close the tab or leave halfway through, their answers won't be lost. When the user comes back to the form using the same device and browser, their previously entered information will be restored automatically so they can continue right where they left off. This works smoothly as long as they are not using incognito mode or switching devices, since private browsing doesn't store saved data. That's it. With this setting enabled, you make your forms more user-friendly, reduce drop-offs, and increase completion rates. It's a small change that makes a big difference for longer forms.